community comment.
We asked and you reacted to our Getting Around Metro Detroit editorial. Ann Rudnitsky wrote, "Please look into 12 Mile Road around Ryan and DeQuinder. It's like a third world country." Mary Treppa agreed and said, "I avoid this area as much as possible, but it's the only way to get to my bank. I'm considering changing banks." Another viewer sent us this message. "I've lived in Colorado, Ohio, and now I'm back in Michigan. These roads are the worst. Ohio is bad, but they stay on top of their road repairs. Colorado roads are very good in comparison. Drive down 9 Mile from Campbell in Ferndale to DeQuinder and it's horrible. John R. from 9 Mile to 10 Mile is horrible too." And there was this observation. "The bureaucracy between city, county, and state DOT offices is absolutely disgusting and downright criminal. No one wants to solve problems." Eva Marie Jordan wrote, "I have never seen automobile insurance so expensive like the city of Detroit. I bought a brand new 2018 Ford Fusion, but my insurance is almost 3 times my car payment." Paul Whiting Jr. said, "You keep using the excuse of no mass transit for some companies not coming to Detroit. This is totally false information. Stop promoting taxes on residents who own homes and own cars that do not want or need mass transit." And finally, this comment from John Cipoletti. "I have lived in Michigan for some 70 years. If we continue to put idiots into our state leadership positions, we will pay dearly for our stupidity. Thank you for your concerns about our roads." Thanks for watching and writing. I'm Chuck Stokes.
We welcome your response to this community comment.